Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Random by A. My name is Aurelia, but you can call me Ari. So and today we having really exciting video, at least for me, because we're going to unbox Louis Vuitton Diane bag. So if you're interested, take a closer look into this bag. Definitely keep on watching. So before we start, take a closer look into this bag. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. What are your thoughts on this new Diane bag? Let me know in the comments down below. So without further ado, let's go and jump into the video. I'm not sure exact date when they released these bags. It's a pretty new bag for Louis Vuitton. Not exact new, but in the 90s they had a similar bag, but it looked like they bringing back those older bags and revamp them and add, you know, new modern details. These are actually really popular. This bag like reminds me two kind of bags: Louis Vuitton Saint Cloud and Slogan. So I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I'm going to insert pictures right here. This month is my birthday, and this year, you know, it happened a lot of things that like I thought that I deserve to treat myself and get a new bag. Actually, I was thinking about getting a new Louis Vuitton bag since probably last year, because these bags are pretty pricey. And actually, in my mind, almost all the time I had Speedy like 25, you know, classic or Pochette Métis. And just recently when they released this bag, I just saw and like I really liked it. And actually when I saw in the store today, I liked even more. I just say that it was like love from the first sight.
Yeah.
Sales associate bring like all bags which I was considered. It was Pochette Métis, like both variations, Passy. Unfortunately, they didn't have Speedy 20. It was last one in the store. And originally, maybe I was considered to get like with the black strap. When I saw this bag and even with this pink strap, I thought that it was really pretty. It's going to be a perfect for spring and summer. You know, if I want, I can get like, you know, just regular monogram or just regular vachetta leather strap. Yeah, she bring me from the stand last bag, so I thought I was really lucky that I was able to get, you know, in the store, and I didn't need to wait. You never know when you will be able to get in your hands. So yeah, I'm super excited. So it's still packed. I think so original price on January was $2,240, but now I think so one in the February happened price increase. They increased price on this one as well, and actually it was price increase on the Pochette Métis. Like this one actually is even cheaper. Pochette Métis was $2,570 and this one was $2,370. So this one is $200 cheaper. Let's go finally and unbox this one. You know, this beautiful wrap. As always, Louis Vuitton bags coming with this regular Louis Vuitton dust bag. And finally, the last one in the store, Louis Vuitton Diane bag. Actually, I really like everything about this bag. You know, I like that this vachetta is kind of, I think so it's called treated, and you know, it's not that bright. When I got my Neverfull, all leather parts was like really bright, and first I was scared to wear, you know, because I know that if you're getting a water or something, you know, it start changing a color. But this one looks like it's a little bit dark in it, so I really like this. Let's take a look in the front. Let's have this buckle, and I think so on the older bags, like you use this buckle, you know, as like if you want to open and close your bag. But this now they put it like this like really strong magnet, so it's like close immediately. Really like this kind of vintage looking front buckle parts, nice leather trim around. On the corners I like that they put just, you know, on outside part, they don't put on the bottom, because, you know, when you put in your bag, you shouldn't be worried that, you know, it's going to get wet, and, you know, again, these parts would change color. That's how I look in the bottom. On the back, all around, it's having this nice leather framing trim. Inside does have this piping. Other really good thing what they added to this bag, everybody's wanted back pocket where you can put your phone easily. Here we go. It's really actually convenient. So let's go and open inside. Since I think so, I'm not sure about the black one, but since mine had this fuchsia pink strap inside, it's kind of fuchsia pink as well. Oh, and I didn't mention it's have like this details for to put your straps inside. It's have like one big compartment and have this, you know, zip up inside. It's have this leather part where it says Louis Vuitton Paris. I think so, like all new bags doesn't have this day code label. I think so, it's somewhere, I'm not sure where it's put it. It's kind of where they could scan and know if it's like authentic or no. That's how this bag is looking. Yeah, I really like that it's like really compact, how those this piping and this kind of framing, and it's not going to lose its shape that easily. And it's come with this new collection. I think so last few new collections have those fun colorful straps. Let's have this light vachetta details, Louis Vuitton on this clasp. On this one side this have Louis Vuitton flowers, and on the other side it have these flowers and it says Louis Vuitton. I think so this color is going to be a really fun for spring and summer. The black one, at least in the pictures, I'm going into a picture right here, look cool as well, you know, maybe more practical for like other seasons, but I don't mind this pink as well. And in the future, if I really want, I can get the monogram strap or vachetta strap added. I'm good to go. Other cool thing, it's coming with this leather strap. It's like not regular one, it's like a little bit slimmer on the outside and thicker on the in the middle. So it look like, again, it's treated kind of leather. Again, on the clasp it says Louis Vuitton. If you don't want to wear as a crossbody, it's easily can become, you know, your casual or not even casual, like out shoulder bag. I really like it. When I'm putting like this pink strap, it's hit my hip area perfectly, and for reference I am 5'6". If you are smaller, more petite, it's going to be maybe a little bit longer, but for me it's hit perfectly how I like it. And look how fun it's looking with this pink strap. On the Louis Vuitton website is showing with the bow straps, you know, that this one just hanging like this. I'm not sure if I would wear both necessary. I think so this versatility is amazing. What are my final thoughts on this one? Like I said, when I just saw this bag, it was like a love from the first sight, and I really liked it. I looked at like Passy as well, because it's amazing bag as well. It's like really spacious, like really modern, and definitely much more loud. What I really like about this one, that like you definitely see, and you know, it's a monogram, but at the same time those details kind of, you know, distract you from all monogram things. It's like kind of become like more subtle, and I really like that, you know, it can be a shoulder bag or crossbody bag. It's up to you. One con what I found, that like this strap, you know, you can make shorter or longer. That's only one con what I see. But besides that, I absolutely love it. I'm super happy that they had this one on the stock and I was able to get, you know, in the store this bag, because lately I think so monogram bags is definitely much more difficult to get. Let me know in the comments down below what are your thoughts on this new Diane bag. You know, do you think it's worth to get it? Let me know in the comments down below. But I absolutely love it. I can't wait until I will be able to wear this bag. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching this video and spending time with me. If you would like to see more of my content, I'm going to put a couple videos right here. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!